guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my very first video here in YouTube. Actually, no, I just lied to you because this is not my first video here because I've uploaded videos before. Great, this is my first video and I already lied to you guys. That is so horrible. Anyways, moving on. This is what I really wanted to do since forever, and I just didn't get that push, that courage and the guts to create my own channel. But here I am now. As you can see, I'm filming my very first one and I'm not entirely sure what to film in my first video, so I thought I'm just gonna do a getting to know me video. So my name is Jovi. I am full Filipino. I am currently living in Melbourne, Australia. I have a beautiful daughter named Paris. She's actually turning 14 months old now. And yeah, I am planning and I'll be uploading or lifestyle videos, hauls, because everyone loves shopping. Yeah, you know, girl problem. And maybe I'll do a little bit of like a beauty video as well. It's just because, I'm a frustrated makeup artist. Well, I don't do other people's makeup. I do my own. Like, as you can see, I love painting my face because why not, right? And guess what? I learned everything here in YouTube. So there you go. That's another reason why I really wanted to do this, because I don't know, someday, somehow, one of my videos will, can help someone out as well. Yeah, just for example, I spent so much time here in YouTube, looking for references every time I want to buy something. Makeup, handbags, shoes, clothing. Yeah, YouTube is just the best place for all this stuff. Just before you buy something, you have that bit of idea what you're, buying. And yeah, I am hoping that you'll be part of this YouTube fam. And I thank you for taking your time watching this. And I'm hoping to see you all guys in my next video. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful.